Hey yogis, do you miss your yoga community? Do you miss grounding your practice in a studio? Do you miss the days of personalized instruction? Well, we figured out how to bring to you the next best thing to an in-studio experience, Unity Vinyasa on Zoom. Unity Vinyasa is designed so that every breath in the class counts, so you can transition from pose to pose gracefully and find calm even in the most challenging poses to create true flow states. Go deeper into your practice and learn how to apply meditation and mindfulness on your mat and in real life situations. Though I'm rooted in Pittsburgh, my teachings branch outward across the country. I have students everywhere. Join the growing community of Unity Vinyasa practitioners no matter where you live. Wherever you are, whatever your level of experience, you are welcome here. I offer what many teachers don't during this new era of virtual class time: my full attention and the most effective system of Vinyasa yoga. I keep the class moving and breathing together, offer real-time reflexive cueing, and I'll hold you accountable so you won't wander away from your mat mid-practice. You'll feel seen because you are seen.